6 divided by 1 over 6 times 6. Then by 6, 1. By 6, 1. 1 times 1, which equals to 1. Then 6 divided by 1, which equals to 6. But this answer is not correct. Okay? Because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is a division and multiplication. So as I have told you that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. Therefore, in this case, we have to divide this number first, okay? Because it's found on the left of this multiplication. So, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We have to keep the first number and change multiplication, change division into multiplication, and flip the second number, 6 over 1 times 6. Therefore, in this case, 6 times 6, which equals to 36 times 6. 36 times 6 means 6 times 6, which is 36, yeah? Right, 6, remainder 3. 6 times 3, 18. Plus 3, which is 21. So, 216 is the correct answer of this problem. Okay? The correct answer of this problem is 216.